Hello students, today we will see the syllabus of Common Management Admission Test CMAT in this video. We will start with an overview of CMAT 2012. CMAT is an MBA entrance exam conducted twice in a year. Second CMAT of 2012 was conducted between September 27 and October 1. CMAT is a 3-hour exam with 4 sections. Each section is expected to have 25 questions in it. CMAT tests candidates on quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, reasoning, verbal ability, and general awareness. There is a penalty of 1 mark for every wrong answer. We will begin with Quantitative Aptitude and Data Interpretation syllabus, which is taken as one of the toughest sections in the examination. Quantitative techniques has questions on arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, and probability. Data interpretation and sufficiency essentially has questions involving tables, charts, and graphs. Candidates are required to solve such questions using simple mathematical calculations. Let's see the syllabus of logical reasoning section. This section mainly constitutes of the following. 1. Critical reasoning problems based on assumption, premise and conclusion, assertion and reason, statement and assumptions, strong and weak arguments, inference-based questions, and cause and effect problems. The other part is visual reasoning problem, which is based on linear arrangements, family tree problem, symbol-based problem, coding and decoding, sequencing, alphabetical series, blood relations, and direction sense based questions. Now we will go through the syllabus of language comprehension section. Language comprehension for CMAT can be broadly divided in 2 categories. 1. Vocabulary based questions. Other would be English grammar based questions. Aspirants need to prepare themselves on antonyms, synonyms, sentence correction, sentence completion, odd one out problems, one word substitution, idioms, fill in the blanks, and para-jumble questions. Let us see what is covered in General Awareness syllabus. General Awareness is a section for which students need to keep themselves updated. Areas on which they should keep a close eye are Indian and international personalities, historical events, science news, sports, abbreviations, business news, national and international current affairs, and recent political happenings. Let us summarize what we have learned in this video. CMAT has 4 sections in it, namely Quantitative Aptitude and Data Interpretation, Logical Reasoning, Language Comprehension, and General Awareness. With few exceptions, the chapters under each section are similar to ones in other MBA entrance examination. Thank you.